फर्स्ट सेंटेंस है मेरी नजर में, as far as I am concerned, as far as I am concerned. नेक्स्ट है मेरा मानना है, I believe that, I believe that. मुझे पूरा यकीन है, I am absolutely sure, I am absolutely sure. इसमें कोई शक नहीं है, there is no doubt, there is no doubt. सच कहूँ तो, to be honest, to be honest, मेरे हिसाब से, in my opinion, in my opinion, मैं पूरी तरह सहमत हूँ, I completely agree, I completely agree. मैं सहमत नहीं हूँ, I totally disagree, I totally disagree. यह सही लगता है, it makes sense, it makes sense. मैं यही कहना चाहता हूँ, that's what I mean, that's what I mean. मैं गलत हो सकता हूँ, I might be wrong, I might be wrong. अगर आप पूछे तो, if you ask me, if you ask me. मेरी राय अलग है, I have a different opinion, I have a different opinion. मुझे ऐसा लगता है, it seems to me, it seems to me. यह काफी स्पष्ट है, it's quite clear, it's quite clear. मैं यह नहीं मानता, I don't believe that, I don't believe that. यह पूरी तरह सच है, it's absolutely true, it's absolutely true. मैं इस पर जोर देता हूँ, I insist on it, I insist on it. मैं इस बात पर कायम हूँ, I stand by it, I stand by it. मैं इस पर भरोसा करता हूँ, I rely on it, I rely on it. हालात काबू से बाहर है, the situation is out of control, the situation is out of control. मुझे इससे निपटना होगा, I have to deal with it, I have to deal with it. यह मेरे बस की बात नहीं, it's not my cup of tea, it's not my cup of tea. इसे समय लगेगा, it will take time, it will take time. हम बाद में बात करेंगे, we will talk later, we will talk later. यह उतना आसान नहीं है, it's not that easy, it's not that easy. मैं कोशिश कर रहा हूँ, I am trying my best, I am trying my best. मुझे इसे संभालना होगा, I have to handle it, I have to handle it. सब ठीक हो जाएगा, everything will be fine, everything will be fine. यह मेरे नियंत्रण में है, it's under my control, it's under my control. मैं इस पर काम कर रहा हूँ, I'm working on it, I'm working on it. यह बड़ी चुनौती है, it's a big challenge, it's a big challenge. यह संभव नहीं है, it's not possible, it's not possible. यह हो सकता है, it might be possible, it might be possible. मैं इसे सुधार दूंगा, I'll fix it, I'll fix it. यह योजना के अनुसार नहीं हुआ, it didn't go as planned, it didn't go as planned. हमें इंतजार करना होगा, we need to wait, we need to wait. यह जोखिम भरा है, it's risky, it's risky. यह सही समय नहीं है, it's not the right time, it's not the right time. यह सही मौका है, this is the right opportunity, this is the right opportunity. मैं ध्यान रखूंगा, I'll keep that in mind, I keep that in mind. मुझे याद दिलाना, remind me. Remind me. मैं भूल गया. It slipped my mind. It slipped my mind. कोई बात नहीं. It's okay. It's okay. कोई दिक्कत नहीं. No problem at all. No problem at all. यह मेरे लिए मायने रखता है. It matters to me. It matters to me. मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता. It doesn't matter to me. It doesn't matter to me. मैं पूरी कोशिश करूँगा. I'll do my best. I'll do my best. मैं जल्द ही करूँगा. I'll do it soon. I'll do it soon. अभी नहीं. Not right now. Not right now. बाद में करते हैं. Let's do it later. Let's do it later. अभी के लिए इतना काफी है. That's enough for now. That's enough for now. मैं व्यस्त हूँ. I'm busy right now. I'm busy right now. मुझे समय चाहिए. I need some time. I need some time. मैं तैयार हूँ. I'm ready. I'm ready. मैं तैयार नहीं हूँ. I'm not ready. I'm not ready. मुझे समझ में आया. I got it. I got it. मुझे समझ में नहीं आया. I didn't get it. I didn't get it. फिर से कहो. Say it again. Say it again. धीरे बोलो. Speak slowly. Speak slowly. कृपया बैठिए. Please have a seat. Please have a seat. कृपया इंतजार करें. Kindly wait. Kindly wait. मैं आपकी बात समझता हूँ. I understand your point. I understand your point. मैं इसकी सराहना करता हूँ. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. क्या आप दोहरा सकते हैं? Could you repeat that? Could you repeat that? क्या आप स्पष्ट करेंगे? Could you clarify? Could you clarify? मैं आपसे सहमत हूँ. I agree with you. I agree with you. मैं असहमत हूँ. I disagree. I disagree. मैं जल्द संपर्क करूँगा. I'll get back to you. I'll get back to you. धन्यवाद. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. आपका स्वागत है. You are most welcome. You are most welcome. माफ कीजिए. I apologize. I apologize. कोई परेशानी नहीं है. Not an issue. Not an issue. यह बहुत मददगार था. That was very helpful. That was very helpful. मैं आभारी हूँ. I'm grateful. I'm grateful. कृपया ध्यान दें. Please note. Please note. जैसा कि बताया गया. As mentioned. As mentioned. आपकी सुविधा के अनुसार. At your convenience. At your convenience. धन्यवाद आपका समय देने के लिए. Thanks for your time. Thanks for your time. जैसा तुम चाहो. As you wish. As you wish. जैसा मैंने कहा. As I said. As I said. यही जिंदगी है. That's life. That's life. यह मेरे ऊपर है. It's up to me. It's up to me. कोई जल्दी नहीं. No rush. No rush. यह बड़ी बात है. It's a big deal. It's a big deal. यह समय की बर्बादी है. It's a waste of time. It's a waste of time. मैं सहन नहीं कर सकता. I can't stand it. I can't stand it. अब बहुत हो गया. That's enough. That's enough. मुझे इसकी आदत है. I'm used to it. I'm used to it. यह मुझे परेशान करता है. It bothers me. It bothers me. मुझे इसकी परवाह है. I care about it. I care about it. मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं. I don't care. I don't care. मैं संभाल लूंगा. I'll manage. I'll manage. यह आसान है. It's easy. It's easy. यह मुश्किल है. It's tough. It's tough. मैं हार नहीं मानूंगा. I won't give up. I won't give up. कोशिश करते रहो. Keep trying. Keep trying. सब कुछ संभव है. Anything is possible. Anything is possible. कभी हार मत मानो. Never give up. Never give up.